All right. Real quick update. I've only got a couple of minutes here, but we've got a cut in I've got to do on the TV side here shortly. Just wanted to update you real quick on the situation weather-wise. I know just a couple of people have logged in at this point. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning for Fayette County. That severe thunderstorm warning until 5:15. It also extends back into Woodford County until 5:15. Clip and also southern part there of Scott County until 5:15. Two bad parts of the storm that I'm looking at here, and I just tweeted out on one a little bit ago. Down here by Dunbar, we're also seeing the uptick in the lightning going on. So again, southwest side of Fayette County, I think we've got a storm that's capable of a damaging wind gust. Been watching the velocity displays on it. It's gone more linear here. It was showing a pocket of rotation, so there was at least some minor, at least there was some rotation going on with that storm when it came across out of Woodford County, went kind of through the Little Texas area over there in the southwestern corner of Fayette County. Damaging wind gust certainly was a potential out of that. You're also seeing kind of the same similar situation here where you got the reds and the greens next to each other, looking up there as you get into Scott County. So again, this is going to be south of 460, south of the bypass there in Scott County. But again, you're seeing a quick change in wind directions as the squall line comes by. At this point, straight line damaging winds are a pretty decent bet from this. And again, I was seeing at least a little bit of a mesocyclone showing up, but again, nothing else beyond that. We've got folks that are listening to see if there's anything going on beyond that. But again, we do have the severe thunderstorm warning. Fayette County until 5:15, southern Scott until 5:15, Woodford 5:15. Torrential rain is ongoing with this as well. You can see that the heavy rain extends back into Versailles. Strong storms now crossing New Circle in Fayette County on the southwest side. So between Harrodsburg Road and Versailles Road, it's raining hard. It's just about to Fayette Mall. Northern part of Jessamine County, not too far from Southland Christian, and then it continues into southern Woodford County with that heavy rain. Also extends north through Versailles to Midway to just about Georgetown. In fact, it's inside the bypass now in Scott County with the heaviest of the rain. You're getting other heavy showers and storms down there around Nicholasville, but it's that area again just now between Man o' War and New Circle where we're keeping an eye on it. Again, damaging wind gusts are certainly a possibility. We had a 57-mile-per-hour gust in Frankfort when that storm came through. It continues up toward Masterson Station. Getting a printout from here. Hang on. Severe thunderstorm warning. It's going to be to the south, so that's going to be Greenheart, Taylor, Marion. So it's going to be right on the edge of I've got the radar in Doppler mode, so it doesn't have quite the distance to it. But there's the other severe thunderstorm warning, Taylor into southern Marion County till 5:30 for the storms that are near Campbellsville. So again, you see the lightning intensity is really picked up southwest Fayette County. These are cloud-to-ground lightning strikes in the last 15 minutes. So from the Castle down to the Jessamine County line along Pinkard Pike, going around Bowman Mill. Again, heavy rain certainly. Leading edge of the wind, we'll put the wind velocity. Again, this is our max velocity, so this is coming off the max track here. So this is a live look. Again, nothing's jumping out at me on this. Strongest of the winds, you get some 30-mile-per-hour gusts somewhere in that ballpark. It might be pushing a little bit more than that. I don't see anything that stands out as being higher at this point. So quick check just to see if Louisville's showing any shear. Not really. So again, we'll let that all slide. So again, just wanted to get you updated here real quick on Facebook. I know a lot of folks are going to be driving home here. If your folks, are we coming up on the cut-in?
No, I was going to ask if you want to do one before then.
No, we'll just do the one at 5:15.
Okay.
All right. So if you've got folks who are driving New Circle, Master or Man o' War on the west side, they're likely going to be slower. Versailles Road's going to be slower, but this is encroaching and will cover all of the city here. In fact, what we can do, I'm on the analysis here, but what I can do real quick is, while we've got you here live on Facebook, we do things on the fly, and with it, let me take you to, let me find it. You see the max track display. Now from the Pepper Rick House, so you're looking there back there across, so you got the heavy rain going there on Manchester Street. So that's getting into downtown, which also leads me to think that when I find the one from the big blue building downtown, it's going to be the same. And of course, when you're trying to find something, you can't find it. From the north side of Lexington here, so again, there's the ominous look as these storms are just now getting onto the north side of Lexington. This is inside New Circle. And I'll can show you the rainfall rate. So again, what we've got going on here, again, torrential rains are falling. And it's not going to let me, well, downpour is what you see there. Since I'm not in, I can do that. And I know you're looking for times of arrival, and truthfully I don't have time right now to go through all that because I'm getting a TV hit coming up here in a couple of minutes, which we don't know exactly when, but that's 8 inches an hour on the southwest side of Lexington. So that obviously is a gully washing rain. Well, this will work. The any port in a storm theory. So that's the storm as it's coming. There you see the bottom of the shelf cloud coming in here. So watch that. That's the downpour as it is approaching downtown Lexington. You can see that curtain on the horizon line there. So that again, so it's raining downtown, but the absolute torrential downpour that's about Forbes Road, it looks like at this point, and so that's coming on in. We're at 5:07 again, but the Olympics are not giving us much warning. I get like a 30-second warning to go play TV with this for a 90-second cut-in. So I'll have to get the tie ready to go for that as well. All right. So again, you see what's going on. We'll bring you back to the radar one more time here and wrap this up. So again, there you see the overall picture, the severe thunderstorm warning in the south, severe thunderstorm warning till 5:15 as the rains are now approaching downtown Lexington, torrential rain on the west side of Fayette County, northwest side, southwest side, out around Dunbar, northern Jessamine County, most of Woodford County getting in on that. You folks in Franklin and Anderson County, your rains are lightening up. But again, expect to see a lot of lightning, a lot of rain, strong wind gust potential, and we got a special statement. All right, that's what we just covered. Okay, I say it here, it comes out there. So again, thanks for clicking on us here at Facebook. Stay weather aware for the next couple of hours. Remember, severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock for most of central Kentucky. Once this line is passed, we will go ahead and get a break. Let me get you on the regional here just to show you real quick what's going on. So there's the updated. So again, this is our cluster right here. Once this is through, things will start slackening off a little bit later on. Thanks for clicking with us here on Facebook, and thanks for being with us on LAX 18.